Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maggie. Today we're going to be playing with 4 different products, but all from the same line. And it's the e.l.f. Cosmetics Soft Glam Cream Blushes. And I have 3 shades, and then I also got one of the cream bronzers to try out. And that one is in light medium. Infused with moisturizing shea butter and nourishing sunflower seed oil. The buttery smooth formula melts into the skin for a diffused finish. Pink on it is a light pink. Muted mauve is a dusty mauve. Gumball is a cool pink. And the light medium bronzer has more of like a warm base, kind of like a neutral undertone. I'm going to go ahead and take off my cheeks, and then we'll swatch each shade on my cheek, and then we'll do a full look using the bronzer as well, just so it doesn't mix with the other colors. We are back, and the first color I want to try is Gumball, which is that cool pink. I wore this one actually the other day, and I've never felt cuter. I'm sure you can use a brush to blend this out, but I didn't pack that many brushes. I feel like this is a product you could also apply to your lips. Let's just apply it to the brush. Let's see what that does. Ooh. I just always find cream blushes a little bit harder for me to blend. So I definitely prefer using my finger and then a little sponge to blend it out. There is Gumball, and I love it. It's the perfect, it looks a little bit more warm pink than cool pink on me, but I think that's just like undertones. It's always gonna look a little different on everyone. Very cute. I wore this the other day and it just looked so glowy and youthful the whole day. Next we're gonna do the Papa Pink. Looks like it has a bit more of a little bit of a neutral undertone. It's definitely lighter. If you're scared of blush, get this one. e.l.f. was the first place I got blush from. Like those little compacts, do you remember the black ones with the tiny little window for the blush? I feel like pink on it was a name for it back then too. Yeah, you can definitely tell the formula is very creamy. It has that nice shea butter formula. Beautiful. There's pink on it. Do you have a favorite? Do you like Gumball or pink on it on me better? I think they're both pretty. This one's just lighter. And then the last shade is gonna be Muted Mauve, which is definitely deeper in that like true mauve color. Okay, onto the Muted Mauve, which we're just gonna do on both cheeks. This reminds me of like a cream shade of the I Need Space blush from ColourPop that they did with Kathleen Lights. It's that exact tone, which used to be my favorite blush. I actually wore that on my wedding. It's continued now, sadly, but I'm sure you can still find it some places. It's probably used. Yeah, I definitely prefer the method of using my fingers over a brush. I just feel like even when I do it, my technique where you put it in the brush hand and then you put it in the brush and then you put it on, it still lifted my foundation. But doing it this way didn't. I can tell these are gonna get heavy rotation just because I just love how glowy they look. And I think for the bronzer, we're just gonna go ahead and apply it. I did do a swatch before this on my arm, so you can just see it that way. No. I went ahead and took this side off. It was just being weird. I think I just removed and put my makeup on a few too many times and not moisturizing properly in between. This brush is working good for it. It's like a croissant color. I like it. Just adds enough color where it doesn't look crazy. I'll go ahead and put Muted Mauve back on top, but then I'm also gonna add Gumball. Pretty. And for funsies, this really reminds me of like a Sabrina Carpenter blush. So if you wanted one of hers in a stick form, I feel like this gives that. I'm gonna touch that here. Kind of on the high points of the cheek. Adds a little bit more dimension and color. A good pop for the summer. Looks pretty seamless. Was it harder for me to do than doing like powder? Yes, but that's okay. Sometimes a little more effort makes you slow down, and so your makeup looks better that way. Well, there's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this, especially if you were looking for any of these 4 shades to glamorize the cheeks for the summer. I think you'd be happy with any of these. If I'm gonna tell you to pick one color, I'm gonna pick Gumball. I just think it's super fun and coral and adds a lot of life to the face. And then maybe Muted Mauve as well. These two would be a good combo. This one's lighter, not as fun, but I'm still gonna use it. Maybe for that like Painted by Esther, kind of like adding a little bit more of a light thing. I actually want to try her blush routine, so maybe I'll try that in my next video. And I did like this too. I still prefer powder, bronzers, and contours over cream, but I'm trying to get better because that does look very nice and seamless rather than, you know, too harsh, which sometimes powders can do. Let's put some of the bronzer on the nose actually before I forget. I love the bronzer because it looks like a natural tan. Like, it's not too orange, it's not too cool toned. It's like the perfect in between where it just looks like you got a burn and then it matured into a nice little tan. But yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Tell me your favorite shade below, or if you tried another shade from this collection. Don't forget to have a beautiful day or night wherever you are. Bye!